శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 844th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 47th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja. Devendra saying to Lomasa Maharshi like this, O Lomasa Maharshi, this Arjuna, after learning all Astra Vidya and everything, and after killing Nivatakavacha Danavas, he will go back to Manava Lokam. Meanwhile, O Lomasa Maharshi, you please go to Dharmaraju. And Dharmaraju living in Kamya Kavanam. You go there and convey my message to Dharmaraju like this. Ho Dharmaja notkantha phalgune karya krutastraha shigrameshyati. Do not worry about Arjuna. Arjuna will learn all kind of archery and then will come back to you. Ho Dharmaja, na suddha bahuviryena na krutasтрena va rane bhishma dronadayo yuddhe shakyaha pratisamasitum. If one does not have complete strength, shoulder strength, bahubalam, if one does not have complete archery, they can never conquer Bhishmacharya, Dronacharya. That is why Arjuna will learn everything, and he will also learn Nritya, Vadya, Gita and all that. He will get efficient. He will become very skillful in all those aspects and then will come back to you. O Dharmaja, until then, with other brothers, you keep on going around all sacred places, and you can definitely again rule your kingdom peacefully, happily. Like that, O Lomasa Maharshi, convey my message to Dharmaraju. And you also please keep protecting Dharmaraju. While he is traveling, there will be so many demons, Danavas, Rakshasas. You have to, O Lomasa Maharshi, you have to protect Dharmaraju from all kind of those troubles. Like that, when Devendra said, after Devendra said, Arjuna also requesting Lomasa Maharshi like this, O Maharshi, you please protect my Dharmaraju. And under your protection, let Dharmaraju go around all sacred places and do many charities. Like that, after Devendra and Arjuna said, Lomasa Maharshi said, yes, I shall definitely do as you all said, as you both said. Like that, Lomasa Maharshi told, and then immediately started heading towards Kamya Kavanam on this earth. He reached Kamya Kavanam. There dadarsa tatra kaunteyam dharmarajam arindamam. He has seen Dharmaraju, who is accompanied with so many rishis and brothers. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.